Hello everybody, this is Jonathan. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to do an if statement in MySQL. So an if statement allows you to basically compare a value and to check if it's a true value, and if it's a true value then print out as awesome, but if it's not a true value then print out not awesome, or it could be not true or not false. So true or false basically, and this will allow you to see if the data will match up with true or false. That means if we'll be able to compare it if the data is true or if it's false. So for example, if I do select star, add in a comma, I'll do if the name is like, so we're going to be comparing some strings to each other, so I'm going to do C and the name, and we should be able to add a percentage sign and do an O, add another comma, and that should show up as being true or being false. And now we can name it as being a random column. Now from, say which table we want for where the data comes from. So yeah, if we do select star, that means we want it to display all of the data. Then we can add in a new column by doing an if statement. If name is like, and if it has a C at the start and an O at the end, then it should print out as true. But if it doesn't, then it should print out as being false, as random column from stays. So at the end, we just say which table we want it from. So this was just adding a new column to it. So if I press onto this on button, now as you guys can see, we should see a bunch of true and false. So for Colorado, that's because it starts with a C and ends with an O, then that should print out as being true. But for California, we'll display it as being false because it starts with a C and it ends with an A. Alaska will be false as well, as you guys can see. So we only have one value that is true. But if we were to change this to being like, if we got rid of this, all of this thing, if we now add the percentage sign and put down an A at the end, then as you guys can see, we'll have more truths. So basically, any state that ends with an A will come out as true, but if it doesn't end with an A, then it will come out as being false, as you guys can see. So basically, that's how you guys will be able to use an if statements. This can be done mathematically as well. So you guys can do if, for example, select star, if the salary is bigger than 5,000, then what you guys can do is do this one as being true. You guys can do also equivalence for that, so we have complete control of it. But this was just a very simple tutorial how you guys be able to use it. But we can just name that one as a random column, and we can say where it's from states. But for me, it would display an error because it would have a column for this for salaries. But this was just a very simple way of showing you guys that you guys can also include mathematics in it, not just comparing like strings to each other. For example, if it ends with an A, then print out a true. We can also do if salary is bigger or if it's smaller than 500, then print out as true. But if it's not true, then print out as being false. So we can do a whole lot with an if statements. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.